What's up, you guys? I'm Christy. I'm a mom of 6. My kitchen is completely tore up. Come with me to reset it. We're also going to be making some creamy chicken pasta. We just organized all the school supplies, so let's get this kitchen squared away. I don't know how this happened. We've got chip bags, wipes, Nutella, new underwear, an RC car, hair stuff, my purse, a camera. Like, this is crazy. We are going to reset this entire kitchen. I feel like the mess is a little extra today because it is the day before school. It may not look like it to you, but this is messy for my kitchen. I usually try to keep it really clean, like for my stress levels, because having 6 kids, you know, it's a lot. And after doing all the back to school shopping and all the kids getting excited, like popping tags everywhere, we really need to get this cleaned up, especially my floor. But I'm all about my kitchen being like the heart of the home. So as long as everything's nice and clean and sanitized and clear, my mind can be a little bit clear and I can deal with all the chaos around me, because with 6 kids, all in sports, it's a lot. And we've got a volleyball tournament today. So we've got to hustle up, get this kitchen ready to go, get the kids fed, make sure all the backpacks are packed and by the door, because it's going to be a busy day. I hope you're entertained. I hope you get a little cleaning motivation, and stay tuned because I have this like bomb creamy chicken pasta recipe that I have to share with you guys that I'll be making for dinner later. As a mom with 3 teenagers that are in high school or about to be in high school, our sports schedule is completely crazy. Like, summer is no exception. Summer was so hectic, and going into the new school year and adding school on top of that hecticness is just kind of a lot. But that's the life of a mom with 6 kids, that all of them are in love with sports and they want to play year round. That's just my life. My son got out of 8th grade on a Tuesday, and on a Thursday he was doing training boot camp for freshman year of tackle football in the extreme heat. We live in Las Vegas, and currently, as we speak right now, it is August 26th and it is 112 degrees. It's crazy. I just need to keep reminding myself he's young, he's healthy, he's strong. Like me, my 43-year-old self, I could not handle it, but him, his 13-year-old strong, healthy self, he can handle it. We're only a couple of days away from his season opener, his very first football game, and I am so excited. And for his twin sister, Avea, who you can see there on the left of the camera, she just left and made me laugh. She made the freshman volleyball team at her high school. I'm so proud of her. That has been like a goal for her for the past few seasons, and she did it. She also made a 16U travel club team, which is going to be extremely exciting yet extremely busy. It's a huge commitment. So as soon as volleyball is done for school, she's going to start training for that, and we're going to be traveling. We're going to be going out of state, doing all the things. On top of that, my daughter Elia, who is in 8th grade, she just made the flag football middle school team. So excited for her. She also made another elite team on the side. So she's training for both right now, and she is heavily involved in that. And it's just a lot. I think it's a lot because school just started. So having the sports and the academics all hit you at one time is a lot. Both of my twins, they play fall sports. Once tackle football and high school volleyball are over, things will calm down a little bit. They'll be able to hang out a little bit more. But right now, in the thick of it, it is a lot. My 2 younger girls that are 10 and 12 years old, one of them plays volleyball and one of them plays flag football. They just finished a season, but they took a break Lily played summer. Tolly did not play summer. They're going to be going back into it in winter because the weather right now is just way too hot, and because of the older kids doing fall sports, it's just too much on our plates right now. I need at least one day to breathe. But because sports requires so much of my energy and my attention, going back and forth and picking them up and going to games and going to practices, I decided for the little girls, since they're not playing sports per se for the fall and the winter, I'm going to use our Get Out Pass that I have in the Vegas area. We have tons of activities still left on it. We have archery and pottery wheel sessions, and I think there's a couple of pickup gymnastics classes, a couple of burger places that give out free food. So I thought that maybe we'll have fun Friday for them, since the kids don't have sports on Fridays usually, except for my son. I thought I would take them out and do something fun once a week, just to get out with mom for a couple hours so they feel special and they have a little bit of my attention, since most of the other times they're just gonna be hanging out at home after school because I'm gonna be running around being a chauffeur. Here I go again. I always get super chatty during these videos, and I wonder, do you guys like the chatty? Do you not like the chatty? Do you just want music? What keeps you motivated and helps you follow along and clean and cook and do all the things that you need to do while you watch my video. Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, I'm gonna let you go. I'll let some music play. I hope this motivates you. I'll see you at the end when I start cooking dinner. Homemade Alfredo sauce I'm making, I need some minced garlic, some butter, this is all I have left, some heavy cream, and some Parmesan, and lots of yummy seasonings. I'm also gonna add some spinach to it because this is a great dish to add like a bunch of veggies to, and I have a lot that I need to eat up. The boneless chicken thighs that I marinated, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika because I love the way it like gives it some color. This is the first batch and it's just about done. I'm gonna put it on the plate and then throw my second batch in, and simultaneously I am boiling some noodles. I only put one package in. I should probably put another half package in. Also, on top of that, I have a lot of Hawaiian barbecue chicken left in the fridge. So I am making some rice so I can make some Hawaiian fried rice. Yep, so dinner for the next 2 days for my family of 8. All right, friends, the kids are grubbing and Mama is ready for a bubble bath in 9 nights. I will see you in the next one. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.